Hello. My name is Robert Schuin, and I want to do a guided meditation to help you let go of worries. One should never underestimate the power of a good meditating session for setting right the wrongs. Meditation is a great practice not only for becoming more mindful or relaxed, but also for healing both the body and the mind. The ability to find stillness allows us to look more or less objectively at the things causing us suffering and angst, and study our fears and insecurities in order to get over them. Worry can cripple your happiness and allow stress to build up in your heart center. Letting go of worry can seem difficult because your mind can give you many logical reasons why you need to worry. This meditation is designed to help you let go of worry and release the feelings and emotions surrounding your worry thoughts. Now, let's begin. First, get comfortable. Just allow peace to come into your body and into your mind. Let's take a few deep breaths. In through the nose and hold. Out through the mouth. Bring your present moment awareness into this space. Lessons come in all shapes and sizes. There is no need to worry. The universe loves you. The future is uncertain, bringing the feelings of confidence into uncertainty. Everything is okay. Bring the feelings of peace into your heart center. Allow your attention to focus on the feelings of peace in your heart center. Envision the universal healing white light coming into your heart center. What does it feel like? Now grow that light from your heart center. Let it expand and grow in every direction. You are in the place of pure love and peace. What does it feel like? I am in a place of pure love and grace. I let go of fear and worry. I know that my worry does not serve my higher purpose on this earthly plane. I let go of all thoughts and feelings that contain worry and fear. I am being a light, and I know that my life should be lived to the fullest. Thoughts and feelings of fear and worry only deplete the inner light that grows inherently inside of me. I know that having thoughts and feelings of worry only create more of the same. My mind is strong. I can stop thoughts of worry when they come into my mind. My mind is strong. I can choose what thoughts I think about and what thoughts I choose not to follow. My mind is strong. I will not let worry control my mind. My mind is strong. I will avoid thoughts that cause me to worry. My mind is strong. I am the only one that can change my thoughts. My mind is strong. Now allow yourself to come back and feel the strength you have created within. Feel this strength fully as you come back into your conscious mind and body. Now I say these words of gratitude and end this meditation. Thank you for giving me the strength and courage to see and feel myself in a different light. I thank my higher self for taking the time to do this meditation. I appreciate my mind, body, and spirit, and know that the universal power that lives in all things also lives inside of me. Namaste.